In January, we launched the Gabelli Focused Growth and Income Fund, a concentrated, actively managed portfolio of 35 common stocks, REITs, preferreds, and bonds that have the potential for capital appreciation while also emphasizing dividend income. The fund has begun paying a monthly distribution of its net investment income, currently set at 6 cents per share, or about 5% on an annual basis. As investors grapple with the S&P 500 hitting new highs and interest rates remaining historically low, we believe the demand for high-income paying securities should continue to grow. In the first quarter of 2021, the fund increased about 10.5%, driven by enthusiasm for infrastructure and clean energy, two areas of focus in this portfolio. In fact, about 25% of our assets are invested in companies that will benefit from increased adoption of solar, wind, broadband, and a change in tax dynamics that will favor existing transportation and storage assets. For example, Kinder Morgan is the largest energy infrastructure company in North America, owning or operating about 83,000 miles of pipelines and almost 150 storage terminals. We began buying Kinder a few months ago, have an average cost of about $12.50, and think it's worth over $20 using an 11 multiple on next year's EBITDA. That's in addition to a dividend of $1.05 per share, which might be growing. In addition to infrastructure and industrials, we have about 30% of our assets invested in consumer-related stocks, including our largest holding, MGM Growth Properties, a REIT that owns world-class assets that should benefit from pent-up demand for travel, leisure, and entertainment. Another attractive investment is a preferred issue by Curate Retail, a high-margin, high-return e-commerce business that was formed by putting together several brands, including QVC, Home Shopping Network, Zulily, and Cornerstone. The preferred offers an 8% current return on a par of 100 and is callable in 5 years. We began buying the preferred shares at about a 10% discount to par and think it's an attractive long-term holding. Thank you for listening. I look forward to giving you more updates in the near future, and as always, welcome your questions and feedback.
Investors should carefully consider the investment objectives, risk, charges, and expenses of the fund before investing. The prospectus, which contains more complete information about this and other matters, should be read carefully before investing. To obtain a prospectus, please call 1-800-GABELLI or visit www.gabelli.com.